Hello, welcome back to CompXM 2024-2025 Top 10 Winning Tips. This gives the details guaranteed for our one production part to get the top result. I show you detail now. So for the production, you can check the previous video for IND detail explanation in the previous video, and also previous video for the marketing calculation of sale forecast, set the promotion and sale budget, and calculate the price. And now we do the production. We have the plan here, and then we get inventories here, so we get the production schedule here. So the sale forecast and deduct inventory, we have the production schedule. And very important, we need to add a new capacity, buy new capacity for the new product. So here for the trip, more capacity, and core more, and nano a little bit less, depends on the demand forecast. And automation, we have 6 for the trip, and core 5, and nano a little. Remember, do not copy the number. You look at the strategy and know how to do that, right? And then you can change that, adjust that to modify that to match your game, because each game the number different and the order of the product different. I say you want some more, I show you want some more. You need to check this part of the report to see the order of your product. Trip is the cheapest one, and then core, and then nano, and then elite. But this order may change from round to round, from game to game. So you need to check that to make sure the target of each of the product of your product, right? And now we get we need to buy more capacities here and increase automation here, and check the total budget we have here. So that's the overview of decision for the production in round one. If you have any question, you send the email to mbasim.ferris@gmail.com or get the free support for round one and quiz one. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.